Hello student, in last lecture we have seen the list which we create in HTML5. There are three types of list: ordered list, unordered list and defined list. In previous lecture we have seen the ordered list. In today's lecture we will continue the second type of list, that is unordered list. Unordered list. The second type of list, that is unordered list, which is denoted by the unordered list is denoted by UL tag. The unordered list is denoted by UL tag. The attributes of UL tag are: there is only one attribute used along with UL tag, that is type attribute. In ordered list we have seen three attributes of OL tag, that is type, start and type, start, the attributes and reversed, the attributes of ordered list. But in unordered list we will use only one attribute, that is type attribute. It having three values. The first value of type attribute is square. The first value of type attribute is square. The second value is circle and third value is disk. The three values of type attribute of UL tag are square, circle and disk. If you use the type attribute value square, it will highlight your list point with square. It highlight your list points with square. If you using circle, then it is blank circle. If you using disk, then it is a circle which is filled, that is a disk, that is the bullets. So this unordered list is also known as, or the second name of this list is bulleted list. It is also known as bulleted list. The unordered list is also known as bulleted list. The type attribute having three values: square, circle and disk. Now we will see the program which contains an unordered list. Unordered list मध्ये आपण प्रोग्राम कसा लिहायचा ते बघण्याच्या अगोदर, जर तुम्ही फक्त फॉर एक्झाम्पल तुम्ही अनऑर्डर लिस्ट डिफाइन करताय, UL देन टाइप इज इक्वल टू डबल कोटेशन स्क्वेअर. If you are writing like this, it does not supported by the HTML5. It is only supported by HTML simple language. This is not supported by HTML5. So we will write this sentence by using the style tag that we have seen in CSS. हाच प्रोग्राम किंवा हेच एक्झाम्पल आपण CSS मध्ये जो स्टाईल टॅग वापरला होता, तो स्टाईल टॅग वापरून आपण लिहितोय बघा. ॲज युजल अँग्युलर ब्रॅकेट UL, then use style, that is style tag, then assign here value to style, that is list dash style dash, then here write type, then value of this type attribute by using colon, that is disk, square or circle that you want to use in your list. Here I use disk, then semicolon. Then if you want to use the circle also, then list dash style dash type, colon circle, again semi-comma, then third value list dash style dash type colon square. That is we are using the style tag to declare the list, unordered list with its type values disk, square and circle. Now we will see the program by using the unordered list with the help of style tag. स्टाईल टॅगच्या सहाय्याने आपण अनऑर्डर्ड लिस्टचा एक प्रोग्राम बघूया की ज्याच्यामध्ये आपण स्टाईल टॅगचा यूज करून आपली जी लिस्ट आहे ते आपण काय करतोय, डिस्प्ले करतोय. द प्रोग्राम फॉर अनऑर्डर्ड लिस्ट. ॲज युजल the first tag is HTML. The first tag is HTML. Then second, as usual, head. Then next, title. Here I use title for this program, that is unordered list. End of title tag. Then here we can use or end head of tag. Then starting of body tag. Then here I use head tag. Here I use head tag H3, that is heading tag. Give heading, that is unordered list, and end of H3 tag. Then actual program will start here for unordered list. As usual, मगाशी आपण बघितलं असं UL, then स्टाईल डॅश, स्टाईल नंतर आपण वापरणार आहे इज इक्वल टू, हिअर वी डिनोट लिस्ट डॅश स्टाईल डॅश टाइप इज इक्वल टू स्क्वेअर. Double quotation complete, and here also we enclose the angular bracket. Then the actual list content. As usual, in OL tag we have used li tag to display list content. Same here in UL tag we are using li tag to display list content. Here I mention the languages HTML5, end of li. Then second language li, JavaScript, end of li. Third li, ASP/li. Then here we can enclose the UL tag also. Then at the end of body tag, and at the last end of HTML. That is program based on unordered list. The unordered list program, HTML head, title, then HTML head, title, body tag. Here I use H3, that is heading tag, unordered list, then UL tag. Here I use style tag is equal to list dash style dash type is equal to square. Here you can change circle, disk, any kind of value, that is square, circle or disk. Then li, here the content of the list HTML5, JavaScript and ASP, which is denoted by the li tag, opening and closing li tag, and at the last it is end of body tag and end of HTML. By watching this video, try to write a program based on unordered list and send it on our group of IT. Thank you.